Available now at Titan Machinery of Jamestown, we have a 2011 Case IH MX275 with 370 hours. Front tires are dual 380/80 R38s. Rear tires are dual 480/80 R50s. This tractor is equipped with 10 front weights. It has a 3-point hitch with quick hitch. It has 540 1000 PTO and is equipped with 4 rear remotes. This tractor has a power shift transmission. If you are interested in this piece of equipment or any other piece of equipment, contact our sales department at 701-252-8200 or visit us online at titanmachinery.com.